I think y'all can do a little better than that. Let's hear it one more time for Mexico.
Mexico. That was hot, 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 Mexico.
I know. All right, so our next country is known for its beautiful architecture, the largest bay in the world, and its national animal, the Bengal tiger. Any guesses, y'all? It's Bangladesh!
Yep. That's right, folks. From its rich traditions to its modern energy, nothing quite blends the old and the new like Bangladesh.
We'll see folk dances that tell stories that have been passed down from generation to generation, all beautiful, colorful, and full of meaning.
And that's not all. With a little mix of some pop influences, contemporary moves, and some hip hop, this next dance is going to create something new, fresh, and exciting.
It's honestly a great celebration of creativity where we see modern and traditional beats all blending together in perfect harmony.
Yep, so why don't we introduce our choreographers, Turna and Shafi.
How's everyone doing tonight? My name is Shafi, and I'm from Bangladesh, as you might know. And honestly, this is my last gala, so it's kind of emotional. But I'm so proud of our performance this year. I want to give a big thanks to all the performers who've put in so much hard work to this dance. And I also want to thank my parents for 2 reasons. I want to thank them for waking up so early to see me perform. And I also want to thank them for giving birth to such an amazing, handsome, wonderful young man, such as myself. Yeah. And if there's one thing about my culture that I want to share with all of you today, it would be our love for our family. So I want every one of you to call your parents after this event and tell them you love them.
Hi everyone, my name is Turna. Namaskar. Namaskar, Shubha Shanda. Thank you all for coming. I want to talk a little bit about how Bangladesh is a country full of sound. The sound of spoons hitting the cup when cha is being made, the sound of little kids when flying their kites, giggling, the bells on our rickshaw, and there's so much more. But this year, I'll be showing you guys the sounds I grew up listening to and still currently listen to. This year, we're ready to put the bang in Bangladesh! I'm joking, guys. It's actually pronounced Bangladesh, not Bangladesh. I want to thank my dancers for all their hard work and dedication, and a special shout out to Chloe for helping me throughout this entire process. And I want to thank Josh for helping me, keeping me grounded this entire process. And a special shout out to my parents for never letting me forget my roots in this Bideshi world. And thank you all for coming. Let's make some sound and noise for this dance. Joy Bangla!
Krishna, 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 Krishna,
Krishna Aila Radhar Kunje Phule Paila Bromora Krishna Aila Radhar Kunje Phule Paila Bromora Moyur Veshete Shajon Radhika Moyur Veshete Shajon Radhika
পাগল এক হৃদয় আমি থাকি না ঘরে ঘুরি হয়ে উড়ে যাই আলো থেকেও জ্বলে যাই চোখ বুজে ভ্রমণ আমার এমন মজা নাই রে মন আমার ফড়িং হয়ে পদ্ম পাতায় বসে শিশিরের সাথে কেমন পিরিত করে মরে রে পিরিত করে মরে মন আমার এক খালি চাঁদ মাঝ বয়েছি রাতে দেখতে তারার সাথে কেমন পিরিত করে মরে রে পিরিত করে মরে
Know that I'm gonna be the one to call you my wifey. Tamando ya imundo ena kurugari, baby sileti Ferrari, baby sileti Ferrari.
Ah. বাড়িতে আসবে কবে জানিয়ে দে তোর প্রেমেরই ইন্তজার করছি আমি বারংবার তোকে আমি আজ করবো নিয়ে রাজ রানী করে রাখবো তোকে রাজি হয়ে জানা ধাত্তেরি কি পটেও পটে না ছুরির তেবর এত গরম ছিপে ওঠে না ধাত্তেরি কি পটেও পটে না ছুরির তেবর এত গরম ছিপে ওঠে না